This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping and making your first actionable twist. Clean skin and remove oils so the thread grips hair, then cut 18-24 inches of 100% cotton thread. Tie a tight double knot and form a loop. Place the loop over both hands. Use your thumbs and index fingers to anchor the loop. Pinch one side to be the static end and the other to become the twisted active end. Once done, twist the active section 10-15 times to create the pinching zone and position it over hair. You now move into the core mechanics. Twist, pinch, pull. Keep skin taut with your free hand. That prevents the thread from catching or tearing. Align the twisted center over a tiny row of hairs, then open and close the loop by sliding your fingers. The twist should trap and pull hairs at the root. Move in short passes of 2-3 millimeters, retwisting when the pinching zone loosens. Make sure to use steady, controlled flicks rather than yanking. This reduces breakage and pain while removing hair effectively. You finish by combing the skin and checking for missed hairs. Apply a cool compress or aloe to reduce redness and avoid exfoliants for 24 hours so follicles can settle. Inspect at a 45-degree angle under good light. Retouch only tiny spots to avoid overworking skin. If you notice broken hairs or the thread slipping, make sure your twist density is higher, 15-20 twists, or switch to fresh cotton thread. Repeat with smaller sections and firmer skin tension to restore control and results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.